Hi everyone, this is Piyush Jain. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about the data type and the roles in Tableau. So let's start. I will open the Tableau desktop. I will connect it Global Superstore Excel. So I will select the Excel option and I will select Global Superstore. So here we have three sheets: order, people, and return. So I will connect with the orders. So whatever columns you have, here you can see all the list of columns that is coming from order sheet. And whenever we load any data or any sheet or any tables, Tableau automatically assign the data type to each column. So we have around 4 different data types in Tableau: number, string, date, and Boolean. Again, your number is again divided into two: number decimal and number whole. And again, date is divided into two parts: date and date time. Okay. So, I mean, based on the data that is coming from your source, Tableau will automatically assign the data type. Okay. So to understand this, by seeing the icon, we can understand this hash represent the number, this ABC represent the string data type, and this calendar is date, and this globe represent the geographical data type. Okay. So this basically use the geographical kind of columns basically used to when we have to create a graph. Let's say map and all. Okay. But sometimes if let's say Tableau assigned data type is not appropriate, or if you wanted to change, we can change it here. So one way we can change it here, like you can just select if you want to convert this row ID to string data type, just click this icon and select the string. Now your row ID is of string data type. So this ABC represents the string data type. Now let's go to sheet 1. Okay, here also you can see this same icon is coming in the data pane. So basically this window we call it as data pane. Under that we have all the list of columns that is coming from your data source. If you want to change the data type again, here also we have the option right click and change data type. So right now it is string. If you want to convert that into the number, you can convert it, but make sure whatever changes you are doing, it should be relevant. Like if you are just changing ABC to integer, it is invalid or it might throw some error. But we can convert 1, 2, 3 to string. That is possible. So this is something called data type. Now let's understand the roles. So when we connect to order sheet, Tableau will automatically divide your columns into the dimensions and measures. So you can see this line below measure name and above discount. Above all the columns in above this is dimensions. And all the columns coming below this line is measures. So even if you see when we hover or when we select any dimension here, it is in the blue color. Whereas in the measures, it is coming as a green color. So let's understand the difference. So dimension basically contains the qualitative data, like your state, city, country, and all. Whereas in the measures, it contains some quantitative data, like numeric data, or like profit and sales. So by default, your dimensions are discrete and measures are continuous. Let's understand that. So when you drag any dimension, it will show you distinct value, whatever is coming from the data. And when we drag any measures, it will always come into the continuous format. So it is representing it is showing as a aggregated data. So if you see, it is showing complete profit. It is not showing for profit for each row, whatever is there in data source. So it will always show you the continuous. Okay. Hope you like this video. Please feel free to share your comment and all. Thank you.